Hey, it's Nick here, and you're on the Transparent FX Academy. I'm a top author on TradingView, and it's time to make another full market breakdown to see exactly what kind of opportunities we can be looking for on the period that we will be analyzing both from a technical and an order flow perspective. So without further ado, let's jump onto the charts. Okay, so it's definitely time to make an update on our previous analysis for XRP USD. Now the market has created exactly the move that we wanted to see from our previous analysis. So that is why it's time to make the update and see where we can be looking for the next opportunity in this market. Now, as usual, I will be keeping the analysis as educational as possible. So I really suggest that you stick to the end of the video, because during the analysis, you will be taking a lot of value out of the video. Plus, at the end of the video, we will see what kind of opportunity we can actually be looking for in this market. So starting here from the monthly time frame, what do we see? Now, on the monthly time frame, we can see that the market has just provided this W formation. After a W formation, generally speaking, what you expect is for the market to create a move to the downside to go and complete the pattern at the previous resistance. Now turn support, this is how the market behaves most of the times when it creates a W formation. It goes and completes the pattern at the previous resistance, now turn support, and then you expect the market to provide the continuation to the upside, specifically for the creation of a higher high and completion of this impulse correction and impulse pattern to the upside. And that is in fact exactly what the market did. The market went and completed the pattern at the previous resistance, now turn support, and created the continuation to the upside with this massive impulse to the upside that the market has just created. And after that, what you expect? You expect the market to possibly provide a retracement. Now in this specific case, during the retracement, what happened is that we had the lawsuit against Ripple. So obviously that is extremely bad news, and the market created the move to the downside. But generally speaking, we did expect this move to the downside. Obviously, we couldn't expect it this hard and this deep because we couldn't know about the lawsuit that would have hit Ripple. So at the moment, on the monthly time frame, the market has been behaving as you usually expect in this kind of situations. What we can also notice is that the market has just reached a very strong demand zone for this market. In fact, from here, the market had started all this move to the upside. The market here again tested and rejected this zone to the upside. Again, it tested and rejected it here. Again, it tested it and rejected it here. And currently, what we're doing is again testing and rejecting this very strong demand zone to the upside. So from a monthly perspective, we can see that the market has been moving as you usually expect when you have this kind of market structure and patterns. What we know is that the market is rejecting monthly demand. Going down on the weekly time frame, what do we see? Now on the weekly time frame, we can first of all see that the market has created an accumulation zone in this area. And after this horizontal accumulation phase, I made a full breakdown of XRP USD exactly when the market was here, explaining all the reasons for which, from this level, we expected the market to create this move to the upside. And that is in fact exactly what the market did. And by the way, I will link in description this previous analysis so you can go and check it out for further reference and more free education. You find this previous analysis linked in description. And then what the market did is create this M pattern. Now, after an M formation, what you expect is for the market to create a move to the upside. Specifically, what you would like to see is for the market to create a move to the upside to go and complete the pattern exactly at the 0.32 of the Fibonacci taken on the impulse leg. Now, in this specific case, the Fibonacci on the impulse is from this high here to this low here. And what we can see, in fact, is that the market has retraced exactly to this 0.32 of the Fibonacci taken on the weekly impulse, which was in fact our upside target. In fact, I made a full breakdown of XRP USD when the market was here, explaining all the reasons for which we expected this massive move to the upside to go and complete the pattern at least at the 0.32 of the Fibonacci taken on this impulse. And again, that is exactly what the market did. And by the way, I will link also this previous analysis in description. So you find also this previous analysis in description, so you can go and check it out for further reference and more free education. Hey, just a quick thing, make sure you comment below and you let me know which pairs or topics you would like me to analyze or cover in the next videos. So at the moment, situation on the monthly and weekly is quite clear. The market has just completed all the patterns as you usually expect in this kind of situations. Going down on the daily time frame, what do we see? Now on the daily time frame, price action is even more interesting because by looking here on the daily, we can see where is the next possible opportunity for XRP USD. In fact, on the daily, we can see that after creating this move to the upside, which is exactly what we expected from our previous analysis, which as I just said, will be linked in description. Now the market, in creating this move to the upside, has also printed this overextended W formation. Now, generally speaking, after an overextended W formation, what you expect is for the market to create a move to the downside. So you would like to see the market provide a retracement at least to the 0.32 of the Fibonacci taken on the impulse leg. But in this case, the market has already completed the pattern. However, what we can also notice is that we have very strong structure at this area. And this area is even the completion zone of the W formation, the overall completion zone of the W formation. Because after an overextended W formation, the overall completion comes when the market tests the actual neckline, which is the previous resistance, now turns support, which in this case is exactly this area here, which is not only the neckline of this W formation, but it's also a historical structure level for this market, which was acting as very strong support here, turned resistance here, again resistance here, then the market broke this zone to the upside, and as you know, in the market, after an area of resistance is broken, the resistance is turned support, and the market, we can expect it to go and retest this previous resistance, which is now turned support, to complete this W formation at the neckline. So at the moment, price action is quite clear from a monthly, weekly, and daily perspective on XRP USD. We expect the market now to create a move to the downside. So how we will be approaching this new opportunity for XRP USD with students? Now, as usual, the monthly, weekly, and daily timeframes are the best timeframes for the direction of the market. But when it comes to confirmations and entries, the best time frame is the 4 hours. And if we go down on the 4 hours, what we can see? Now, at the moment, from a 4-hour perspective, what we can see is that everything is absolutely bullish. And if everything will remain bullish like this, the market will easily continue to the upside. So obviously, at the moment, we will not be looking for any kind of shorting opportunities on XRP USD yet with students. However, things might definitely change in the future. And the more the market will continue to the upside, the better it will be. Because the more the market will create the move to the upside, the better the risk to reward and the amount of pips that we can be capitalizing on when the move to the downside will actually start will be. So the way in which we will be approaching this with students is as usual being reactive and not predictive. We will be monitoring price action from a 4-hour perspective during this move to the upside. And we will be waiting for the market to shift from a 4-hour bullish market as we have right now to a 4-hour bearish market. And if, and only if, the market will shift from a 4-hour bullish to a 4-hour bearish market, only at that point we will be adding XRP USD to our watch list. And as soon as the market will provide to us one of our valid entries with students, we will be taking a nice short with a very good risk to reward and very good probabilities at that point for the move to the downside and for the market to go and complete the pattern at the previous resistance, which is now turned support. If you made it this far in the video, it would be great if you can smash that like button and comment below. It really does support the channel and support the creation of more free education and analysis for all of you. But this is just the tip of the iceberg. I have a full mentorship program that will teach you exactly the rules of my rule-based strategies and also give you every single day a new market breakdown in which I show you exactly how to apply the strategies with entries, stops, and take profits, as well as answering every question that you have every single day, including the weekends. So it's a very complete program. It will teach you everything that you need to trade the market consistently. So I will see you in it. The link is in the description, or I will see you in the next video.